Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with price action and candlestick psychology. Let's start now. You can see this is Euro USD chart. It's a OTC market. It's a very risky market. I never recommended place a trade on OTC market. Okay, so I just try to make some trade here. So let's see what happened here after this candle. If I get a good opportunity, then I will be place a trade, otherwise I didn't place a trade here. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, I'm waiting for the confirmation to go with sellers or buyers, but I never get any confirmation from them, so I'm not place a trade here. I need to be wait for the good condition. If you want to learn candlestick psychology and price action, then you can contact me. We'll provide online classes. Okay, so let's see what happened here. The buyers entry, a strong buyers enter from this level, so it's a buyers area, and the breakout. So after breakout, I will be think the market will definitely go down for the 1 minute as a retracement. So let's see what happened here. Okay, I'm placing here the lower option. Okay, it's definitely giving me a winning trade because of the my entry point. So let's see what happened here. Okay, I'm 100% sure about that candle. That's it, I'm placing here a trade, otherwise I didn't place a trade. So let's see what happened here. It's my winning trade, definitely, you can see. Okay, I place one more trade after this candle if I get a good opportunity. So okay, I'm placing here a call option again. Because I'm sure about this candle. This candle also closed as a bullish candle on my entry point or above my entry point. Okay, it's I'll never close as a bearish candle because of my prediction. Okay, so you can see it's a reject, but not close as a bearish candle. Okay, so let's see what happened here in the next candle. It's definitely being trade. So let's see what happened here after this candle. Okay, rejected. Okay, so the next candle will go down maybe, but I'm not confirmed, so I'm not place a trade here. Okay, so why I'm not confirmed? You can see this is a trend line. Okay, so buyers enter from this level. Okay, and this is a horizontal line, the sellers area. So the sellers area and the buyers area is between this green candle. Okay, between this green candle. So there is a more chance to go buyers because of the trend, but the sellers also enter at this area, so we are not considered it's buyers or sellers. Okay, so we have to analyze the market properly and go with buyers or sellers. Okay, so right now you can see the sellers entry. Again the next candle also will go maybe from the sellers side because of this resistance level. Okay, but right now candle close as a buyers area. Okay, so I need a good confirmation, I need a good opportunity, then I will place a trade here. Okay, So let's see what happened here. Right now the candle at the buyers area, but sellers are strong here. You can see the sellers again enter. I'm not get any confirmation from the buyers, so I'm not place a trade here. Okay, so you can see, analyze the market like that. If you get a good condition, good opportunity, good setup, then you will be place trade. Otherwise, don't place a trade. Okay. So you can see the buyers area and the buyers enter in the market. Okay, so you can see sellers also have some power, but we are not considered to go with sellers or buyers and not place a trade here, because I don't want to lose my money here. Okay, always place a safe trade, always place 100% sure shot. Okay, don't place on everywhere without analyzing the market. Okay, it's take time to practice. Okay, so you have to practice on that. Only place on sure shot. If you practice on that, then you will be get more than 90% ratio, winning ratio. Okay, if you place a trade blindly everywhere, then you will be never get a good winning ratio. You will definitely lose your money. Okay, so I'll place a trade on the next candle if I get a good opportunity. So it's a strong buyers bullish candle here. Okay, close at the buyers area. No, I'm not place a trade here. Okay, it's going up. No issue, but it is a very risky trade here, so I won't place a trade here. I just have to wait some time. If I get a good opportunity, then I will be place a trade. Okay, if the candle close proper sellers or buyers area and I can see that level, then I will be place a trade. Otherwise I didn't place a trade. Okay, you can see the breakout of the sellers area. Again the market. Okay, I'm placing here lower option. I'm placing here a lower option and I'm 100% sure about this candle. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Here is some strong buyer also, but I think I will be win this trade because of the seller's entry. So at least for 1 minute I will be win this trade. You can see the fluctuation because of this area. So you never place a trade like that. I also not place a trade like that, but I have to finish my video here. That's why I am placing a trade here. Okay, otherwise I didn't place a trade like that. Okay, and I'm sure about this candle. It will be closed as a bearish candle. I'm 80 to 90% sure, and I get a good confirmation, so I will be place a trade here. Okay, you can see this also my winning trade. So always place a trade like that. If you analyze the market, where is the sellers and where is the buyers, and you understand the price action, then you will be easily place a trade and easily you will be increase your winning ratio. Okay, also you have to know about the money management plan. If you have good money management plan, then you will be easily earn money from the $10. I'm not telling you to invest $100 or $1,000. I just telling you, if you learn the candlestick psychology and price action, and you understand the buyers area and sellers area and how to analyze the market, then you will be easily earn money from the $10. Okay, but you have to proper knowledge of that. So if you want to learn the candlestick psychology and price action, then you can contact me. We'll provide online classes. Okay, so thank you very much for the watching my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.